Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Amina Baby and I am student of MSCS in University of Sialkot. My roll number is 045. I am going to talk about the project which we have done for the course Instruction Design and Analysis by Dr. Javed Jamsheikh. We tested the usability of mobile applications, and the mobile application which specifically I worked on was Autism iHelp. I have pasted the link of that application over here. Mm, these are the contents of this project. First of all, there is introduction of this mobile application. Autism iHelp is a vocabulary teaching aid developed by parents of a child with autism and a speech language pathologist. Autism iHelp was inspired by the need for specific language intervention tools for children with autism spectrum disorder, focusing on their unique strength and difficulty with expressive vocabulary. Well, this app include 24 real world photos. It has been proven that the children with autism respond best to photos as compared to illustrations and are other visual learners. Next, I will talk about the app testing, which was based on usability components. First of all, there is learnability. I have pasted each and every screenshot with every option. I am going to talk about the learnability first. User can easily learn from the interface that what this application is about. If user open the app, its interface is clear enough for him to understand. The only flaw about learnability is that this app include only one language option. So if user don't know the English language, he cannot read the app interface. Next, there is effectiveness. App is not effective enough because it does not support user to complete the actions accurately. If user want to log in, user won't be able to complete the action because there is no register option in this application, as I have pasted the screenshot. Next, there is efficiency. This app is not efficient enough because it crashes too often. If user have strong working internet connection, then the user can open the application, otherwise he cannot. Next, there is memorability. User can re-establish proficiency easily if he return after few time. This app is memorable due to its attractive color images. Next, on usability option, I am talking about the errors. This app support error tolerance of the user. If it shows error if app does not give the user option to skip or go forward or backward for 5 or 10 seconds. App is very slow working. Next, there is satisfaction. App is quite satisfactory based on the learning and submenus arrangement. Next, I have done the statistical analysis, which had two steps. First, there was user interviews, and secondly, there was card sorting. The user interviews I done, and I have made the pie chart of each and every question I asked in user interviews to get the final results. For example, the first question was qualification of user. The 40% users was illiterate, 20% was illiterate, and 40% was semi-literate. Next, I asked the age of the user. 40% users was less than 35, and 20% users was less than 25, and 40% users were less than 30 years. Next, the marital status. All the users which was chosen in interviews was married, so 100% users are married. Next, there is kids age. So half of the users kids were under 2 years, and half were under 3 years. The profession, some were housewives, some users was teachers, and some had other professions. Next I will talk about the phone model. So some had iPhone, some had Samsung, and some had other mobile companies models. Next, when I asked about the goal, or when you want to use this mobile application, so 100% users said that they wanted their child to learn instead of entertainment because of their autism disorder. Next, are you using any mobile application for your kids learning? If yes, then which app? So 17% users were using YouTube, and other was using Autism iHelp. Next question was, with the existing feature, does the mobile application help you to achieve your goal? So all the users said that this application help them to achieve their goals. Next, there is next I asked that describe a situation in which the mobile application is the most useful to you. So the 17% parents said that this app helped their kid in the boredom time, and 50% users said that this app helped in corona pandemic for their kids to learn, and 33% students said that this app they use this application to engage kid with learning. Next I asked the users that was that easy to remember how to use or register this application. So 67% users said that it was not easy to remember how to register, and 33% users said that it was easy to remember how to register. Next, I asked them, do you think using a mobile phone or visual ads can improve the learning? So 100% users or the participants in the interviews said that the mobile phone or visual ads improve child's learning. Next, I asked from the users that, do you think content is relevant, attractive, appropriate, and clear to you? I was talking about this application. So 100% users said that the app's content is relevant, attractive, appropriate, and it was clear for them to understand. Next, I asked them, do you think this app is free from irrelevant material that will not be helpful for your kid? So 67% users said no, and 33% users said yes. Next, I asked from the participants that the terminologies related to the task are appropriate or not. So all the participants said that the terminologies related to the task are appropriate. Next, I asked from the user that what are your suggestions to improve this application. So the participants said that this 33% participants said that this application should have other language options and other learning options. Then 33% participants said that there should be offline videos, and 34% participants said that there should be any free subscription for all these videos and other options. Next, I asked from the participants that to which extent systems support your overall learning. So participants said 50%, 60%, 40%, and 35%. Next, I asked about the navigation of this application. So they said 33% people said that the navigation is good, 33% people said that the navigation is fine, and 34% users said that the navigation is easy to use. Next, there is, what do you like least about this application? So the participant suggested that this application miss Islamic material, and this app crashes too often, this app has subscription and login option, and this app has irrelevant ads. Next, I asked them, are there any features that you think you need but are missing in this mobile application? So the 50% people said that this app has missing language option and other language option and other features option. And 33% people said that they this app does not miss anything. And 17% people said that this app miss Islamic material. So next I asked how often did you use this app. So 33% people said that most often, 33% people said that often, and 34% people said that regularly. Next I asked what do you think the mobile application should be improved on. Mostly people said that this application should improve their login part, and others people said that this application should work on more features. Next I asked about the ratings from on the scale 1 to 5 on for icons and interface. So people give 3 star, 4 star and 5 star. Next I asked all the participants to perform a task on this app, and all the participant agreed to perform the task, and there was 100% results. So next I asked other participants to do card sorting based on the menus and sub menus. I took 10 users, and this was the result, and this is the images of the card sorting these users has done. Next I took 10 users. Next I analyzed this card sorting, and I found out according to the card sorting, I found out that there was a lot of main menus which user found hard to sort. There was nothing wrong with sorting sub menus, because sub menus were clear to relate with the main menus. The only issue was user found it hard to identify the main menus. User added most of the main menus in features and more options. The second issue I found during card sorting was some of the sub menus meaning were hard for the user to understand. So language option will be added in the proposed design. Sorry. Next, I redesigned this application based on the user interviews and card sorting, and I have redesigned this application on the suggestions which participants gave during user interviews, and I have added some options and did some changings basis on the analysis of card sorting. This is the new design. This I have pasted the screenshot of old design, and I have made the new design, as you guys can see. These are the this is the new and old design together. I have added home button, I have added more learning options, I have improved the picture quality, then I have added the path on each page that was missing before. Then I have added the more categories. Then I have added forward and backward option in the new design. And I have added the options which do not had any change. I linked that options to no change or no change slide. Then I sent this new design. All the broken links and technical errors has also been fixed. Next, I sent this design to one of my class fellow, Ahmed Ali Wasim. His roll number was 023, and he tested the new design and gave some recommendations. I accepted some of his recommendations, and some recommendations I did not accept. First recommendation he gave was adding home button is good option. It can be used for navigation and attractive color combination. So I accept this recommendation by Ahmad Ali Wasim. Next, he recommended that in every sub menu font style is not same. Well, I am not accepting this recommendation because according to me, all the font style is same. Next, I am talking about the self critique of my new design. So I think there should have any other activity rather than quizzes in this application. That's all for today from my side. Allah Hafiz.